There are currently three main applications provided by Gaston County for querying our Geographic Information System or GIS data. The most popular is the mapping application. This application provides an interactive map complete with customizable map layers and advanced tools. One can query data as well as perform actions such as measuring, drawing, and buffering. The search feature located near the upper left allows you to look up information based on four different options: parcel number, owner name, physical address, or street name. Prominently displayed in the bottom center is the coordinate tool, which allows you to get coordinate information based on your mouse position. In the top right, you will find the interactive tools: identify, erase, pictometry, map layers, and print. The Tools drop-down menu gives you access to more advanced operations. Except for the Map Layers pane, all tools open in a draggable window that can be repositioned on the map. The Data application provides the ability to create a customized query and return multiple parcels. You can also export your query results with a maximum of 10,000 records per query. We also have a mobile application geared towards smartphone and tablet devices. This application provides the same four search options as the mapping application, but it does not include any of the advanced tools. It does, however, provide a GPS location tool to assist with finding your location on a map while in the field. These websites are responsive to browser resizing. If you resize your browser window, the page will automatically update to fit the contents to the browser window. Be sure to check out our other videos for a more comprehensive look into the functionality of these applications.